So, how are you all? I'm sure that you all are fine and safe. So, today we are going to learn about artificial intelligence. Yes, what is artificial intelligence according to you all? But I can say after this video, if you don't know anything about artificial intelligence, then you will be learning or you will all will know everything about artificial intelligence if you not skip any of the video seconds. So let us start. First of all, when we are hearing the word as artificial intelligence or AI. So before that, here let me know you all that artificial intelligence is also called AI, is also called AI. Okay. So when you're hearing the word artificial intelligence, the question like what is intelligence and what makes human being intelligent, how to classify machine as intelligent, etc. Questions would be popping in your mind. Don't worry, you will be getting your all question answers in this video. Okay, and along with that, we will learn applications of AI also. Before that, let me know, as I said earlier also, that most probably artificial intelligence also means AI. Okay, so don't be confused when I say AI or artificial intelligence. Topics to be covered in this lesson. First, human intelligence, artificial intelligence, applications of AI, and advantages of AI. So, key learning outcomes. At the end of the lesson, you will be able to understand what is the difference between human intelligence and artificial intelligence, appreciate the advantages of using AI, correlate with the real-world applications of AI to generate an AI mindset. So, are you all ready? Let's begin. First of all, what is human and animal intelligence? Before that, what is intelligence? So let's us take some of these situations that when, or I am giving you some of these situations when you feel yourself up proud, or when I can say that you feel intelligent, that yes, I'm the intelligent, right? When you're proud of your intelligence. So what are the situations? First of all, when you got all the questions correct in your maths tough exam, mostly it's for me, maths is very tough. I don't know about you all. Everybody has different thing, right? So when I got all the questions correct in a very tough examination of maths, I feel proud of myself, right? And when you solve a challenging puzzle in recorded time, you feel intelligence. Yes, I'm so intelligent. I have done in the recorded time, right? When you beat your siblings in a different stage of contra. Okay, when you recognize and remember the names of your favorite players of your any football or cricket teams, right? You feel proud of yourself. Yes, it's my intelligence. When you get a laugh of your friends on a joke you crack, right? And when you remember the lyrics of one of your favorite song from the past, right? So these are the some situations what you feel proud. There are many more situations when you gain first in the first like class, in the first in your class, or second in the class, or third in the class, right? So there are many things. Now, here our what is human intelligence? So when we're describing a human intelligence, I can describe it as perceive. Perceive means to take that information, understand. Now, if you have listened something, information, then after listening, you have to understand that information. That is this process in analyzing information. Analyzing information means keep in your mind that information, and ability to learn, as I said, increasing knowledge. Whatever are you learning, not a great but a little quantity of knowledge you increased, right? The ability to make decisions based on your knowledge. So when you are well knowledged, you can make your own decisions, which is based on your knowledges. Am I right? Next. So first of all, what are animals different from humans? So you might have heard that animals are not intelligent, but I can say, I can prove it that it is false. That it is false. It's not true. Now, why it's not true? Yeah, I can consider this word that animals are not that much intelligent as humans. As humans. Okay. In the most of animals, there are many skills and abilities to their survival, which is necessary for their survival. Here are some of the examples of some of the intelligent animals. So, the first example is dolphins. Now, I think that many of you know this fact. If don't know also, now you will be known. So, dolphins are extremely sociable creatures with a highly developed ability to adapt to their habitat. Means they can adapt their habitat as fast, means it is very close to the social, our surroundings. And they help one another when they injured or ill. And thanks each other, no? So I think you all will shocked to know that if they're injured or ill, help. They help to one another and they also say thank yous. But why do we not understood this? Because we don't know their language. Their language and our language is totally different. And it's a very good fact about dolphins that they are able to share their knowledge. They are able to share their knowledge with others. Okay. So our second animal is parrot. Now, what is parrot? Parrots, right? So the parrots are the birds having an incredible ability that they can recognize human faces in high aptitude of communication. Besides these, parrots have an excellent memory, which help them to solve complex problems, like how you remember your best friend's birthday. Okay, so the parrots, mostly they have an incredible ability to recognize any human face. Means if you will meet them first time, they will recognize your face, and when you meet it second time, they will automatically identify your face. If someone has a parrot in their home, I think they guess this thing. And when any of the I can say any of the word you will say to the parrot to say, he will just repeat every day the same thing. It's have an excellent memory. Okay, and now our second is elephant. So elephants boast the largest brain of all the land animals. These animals are renowned for their ability, social skill, and can express a wide range of emotions, including happiness, campaign, as well as pain and grief. They display acts of altruism and self-awareness with a greater memory than even us humans, and elephants are truly never forgets. So mostly elephants have the largest brain of all the land animals. Okay. Now these animals, what they do, they express their emotions in very nice way. Either it can be happiness, either it can be painless, either it can be sadness, anything. They can express it in a very well amount. And they have a very great memory, even more than humans, and an elephant not truly forgets anything, never. Now, what is the conclusion here? The conclusion is in this topic, we have learned about human intelligence and animal intelligence, and most importantly, what makes them intelligent. In the next topic, we will study. So before that, if you have any of the doubts, you can also comment, and you can also Gmail me at sakshikediacodinggirl@gmail.com, and you can also send me your suggestions or what you all want me to upload the videos for. Let us go to our before again the next topic. So here our main thing is coming, that is artificial intelligence. Okay, what is artificial intelligence? Before that, let us see that are computer intelligent? So yes, computers are used to store different types of information in the memory. Like it can be either documents, it can be images, it can be videos, it can be etc. And they utilize it in a very about. They can access it immediately. It won't take much time. Run programs that interact. Sorry, everybody. Yeah. Run programs that interact with the users to help solve these problems like going calculation, etc. In computers, sometimes now the online classes are going, but students doing maths, the teacher is saying to solve any calculation, and if the teacher is saying to divide, they just open calculator either on the computer, either on the anything what they are using as a thing, and they just immediately get the answer, right? So that is what it is saying in the second thing. Third, we play games, we watch different types of movies, we surf on the internet. So in the above examples, the examples what I told right now, here the task is defined and the computer runs to get the result, right? Example, like when we are you watching any movie, the computer reads the file from the hard disk and displays on your screen using a video player, right? Now, this is not termed as intelligence because there is no learning process involved in this. Computers are just following a set of predefined instructions, but when the computer are equipped with the programs that learn and acts based on their environment and termed as intelligent. Now, when you will say that if computer is doing these all things, then it is intelligent. So no, you are very wrong. Yes, computer is intelligent, but not for these all works. These all works are not these, I can say these are not the thing what computer is doing. These are predefined instructions what humans only has given. But when we equip any program in the programming language that learns and acts on the basis of their code, right? And there is one good news for everybody from this programming language. I have just come to know, I have just remembered just now that soon I'm going to start a new thing, that is Python. Yes, we will learn Python from the basic. And after seeing the 25 to 26 videos, you would be able to do whole thing of Python. Okay, so before that you have to subscribe, right? Because that we are going to start within a month. Okay, and that would be type of classes I will do. I will upload with day 1, day 2, like that. Okay, next let's go continue. So some examples are self-driving car. Now what do self-driving car recognize? They recognize their environment and act accordingly, right? We have learned it. Okay, so see this is one type of example. Like what it is doing here, it's a one of our blocks project. Here it is detecting that what is the thing. It is a bus, it is a motorbike, or it is any person, or right? So this type of activities I have uploaded already, but soon I will be uploading new one. Okay, so let us go to our next topic. Emotion identifiers. Now this is also our Peter blocks itself. What and this activity we have done also, if you have remembered, everybody. So what we are doing here, it is identifying an emotion that human, like see, you can see, right? Disgust, happiness if he is happy, if he is neutral, the neutral, then his sadness and sadness. Okay, so we have to give first code, and I think we have already performed this activity. You can just go to description box. You have to see this code, right? So let us move to our next part. Next is AI bots in game. They can play the game as humans if well. See, this is also one of our Pitoblogs project, but I'm going to soon upload. That is rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors, we play when we get bored with our friends. So we can play with Pitoblogs also, the same thing. See what here is doing here. This is any user, you can say me already. And if you can see the whole game is going on actually here. Right. Next. First of all, artificial intelligence definition. This is the main definition for artificial intelligence if it is asked. So artificial intelligence is the study and designing of artificial agents, that is computer, which have the ability to analyze the environment and produce actions which maximize success. What is the main meaning of artificial intelligence? So mostly artificial intelligence is the study of the design of intelligent agents, that is computer, a machine. Here agents means machine, which have the ability to analyze the environment. Analyze means to take the environment and produce actions regarding that analyzation and maximally aim success. Right? Now, what are advantages of AI? Advantages of AI. So there are, like I said, many advantages that an AI machine has over humans. So some of the examples I can say is speed of execution. Now, as we all know that computer has better memory than humans. But who created them? Humans itself. So they can be fed of a large amount of information and retrieve it almost instantaneously, while a doctor makes a diagnosis in 10 minutes, an AI system can make million at the same time, right? They are not lazy. So computer doesn't require sleep, the humans do. They can calculate, they can analyze without tirelessly and round the clock without wearing out. Right. So mostly I can say that this is a machine, not a human. Machine can do everything more than the humans. But who created the machine? We humans itself. Right. So accuracy. Computers have a very high accuracy in some tasks. Accuracy means the speed. Okay, less biased. Computers are not affected by the influence by emotion, feelings, wants, need, and other factors that cloud our judgment and the intelligence. I can say in this fourth part, computer doesn't, I can say computer doesn't have any emotions and feelings, and it doesn't need any judgment actually. Now, what is the conclusion? So in this topic, we have learned that how to identify which is a computer is intelligent and which is not, in what artificial intelligence is. We also show what advantages AI and machine in the journal have over humans. In the next topic, we will look at the various applications of AI. So let us learn it. So applications of AI. So here are some of the applications of AI. I can say every app is an, not every app I can say, but yeah, apps are a application of AI. Now, gaming. Gaming is one type of application. Expert system, speech recognition, face recognition, text recognition, intelligent robot, and computer vision. Don't worry, these all topics we are going to make a lot of activities with this, all the things, applications. Okay, now my upcoming videos, I'm going to show you all. Okay. Now, AI has many applications which continue to grow day by day, like computer vision. What is computer vision? AI is used in many popular objects to recognize a system like self-driving cars, security system, industrial robots, etc. In this example, the robot identifies the position of the pancakes and secreted into arms. So what it is doing computer vision. Just we have seen the pancake's position, and according to the position it is taking. That we have given a code first, right? In the machine. It has been uploaded. Okay. Second, face recognition. So AI is widely used to detect and recognize faces from the images. It can be Facebook uses to identify people in the photos on the tag, right? Gaming. AI plays a very important role in helping a machine think a large of the number of possible positions based on deep knowledge and structure. Games such as chess or PUBG, an AI system called Alpha Zero taught itself from scratch how to master games like chess, shogi, and go. Okay, so there are many games. Please do not start playing PUBG. It's very bad thing. Expert system. Machine is software that emulates the decision-making ability of humans and uses it to provide explanation and advice to the users. Example, YouTube uses it to recommend a new video. Now, this you have seen, I think, many times. Like when you any subscribe, you not also subscribe. But if you search the videos, like if I search the video as being time funny episodes, right? So what it will do, it will first what it will do, it will just see first time. YouTube will see that what you are liking, and as soon as you will open the video, you it will show recommended videos in that way, like this, whatever you like, right? It depends that what video you see. Okay, so this is one of the expert system, right? Speech recognition. Now, what is speech recognition? Some AI-based speech recognition system can hear and express in the form of speech and understand what person tells. That is Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant. So, if you have not tried that Google one, what it is saying, we are just giving them a speech recognition, and Google Assistant is recognizing our speech and giving a result according to them. Same as Alexa and same as Siri. Alexa, I think we all know about Alexa, right? So next, text recognition from the image. The handwritten recognition software reads the text written on the paper and recognizing the shape of the letter and converts them into edible text, right? We all know this. So till here, we are here to mind up this, and I think this video would be very much understandable. We have learned applications, we have done advantages, we have done artificial intelligence, we have done human intelligence. So I think this artificial intelligence topic is totally clear to you all. Any doubt, write in comment or Gmail me on sakshiediacodinggirl@gmail.com. You can send me your projects on sakshiediacodinggirl@gmail.com, which will be shown in the YouTube by going live. So please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you, everybody. I'm sure that you will like this. Thank you. Like, share, and subscribe my channel for getting more useful and information videos.